What is the definition of a star to you? And what does stardom mean to you? Because then to now you're a star.
Well, that's a tag. It
Yeah.
doesn't mean anything. If you take it too seriously, then you're in trouble.
Mm-hmm.
Just accept it, embrace it, and move on. You're just a human being working like anybody else.
That's amazing. Is that how you
Because
always felt?
I used to always say it's a profession like any other. अभी मेरी बहन डॉक्टर है, शी इज़ अ वेरी अकम्पलिश्ड डॉक्टर. शी इज़ रियली अ स्टार इन हर फील्ड. शी इज़ अ स्टार डॉक्टर, मीन्स पीपल लव हर, दे एडमायर हर वर्क. तो वो स्टार है ना, फिल्म स्टार नहीं है, बट डॉक्टर है, अपने काम में अच्छी है,
Dr. Star.
तो शी इज़ अ स्टार. अब मेरी स्कूल की एक टीचर थी whom I used to really admire and she contributed a lot to me. For me she was a star teacher. कि वो जिसने इन्फ्लुएंस किया इतने बच्चों को, मतलब राइट फ्रॉम कमर सीधी रख के बैठो, डोंट स्लाउच, यू नो ऑल दोज टू प्रोनाउंस योर वर्ड्स. हमारी इंग्लिश टीचर थी वो. So she taught us so much. So she was a star. So it's not about film stars are not the only stars.
But because today you spoke of influence. Now there's so much of the influencing culture. तो ये जो सब हर person star है, जो अच्छा जूता भी पहनता है, लेस लगाता है, वो भी star है. So है ना, everyone is a star today. Albeit for 5 minutes or 10 minutes or one year. What is your take on this? What's happening with the younger generation?
See, unfortunately, everybody's aspirations have gone very high. Why I'm saying unfortunately, because हर चीज़ जो उम्मीद होती है वो होती नहीं है ना. So there's a lot of disappointment, there's a lot of feeling of rejection. That's why there's depression, there's anxiety. Because सब सोचते हैं कि अगर वो बन सकता है, ये बन सकती है, इसको ये मिल गया, मुझे मिल. So you know, everybody is very, very aspirational, and then every dream doesn't come true. सो रिजेक्शन तो नाम की चीज़ है ही ना लाइफ में. आपका फेलियर भी होगा. वी वॉर आर फेलियर्स ऑल्सो विद दैट थिंग. चलो 4 पिक्चरें फ्लॉप हो गई, 2 हिट हो गई, तो वी डिडंट टेक इट एवरीथिंग पर्सनली. टुडे द मीडिया मेक्स यू फील कि उसका तो करियर ही खत्म हो गया, 2 फ्लॉप हो गई, नोबडी वांट्स इट, शी लुक्स दिस. एनी न्यू यंग 20-25 ईयर 22 ईयर ओल्ड child comes on screen, they are exposed to so much public opinion. एंड अच्छी बातें बहुत कम लोग बोलना चाहते हैं. बाय एंड लार्ज दे थिंक दे विल गेट नोटिस इफ दे से वेरी बैड थिंग्स.
नेगेटिव पब्लिसिटी जो भी हो.
सो वो उसकी वजह से इम्पैक्ट उन पे क्या होता है फॉर द यंगस्टर्स. इट्स वेरी हार्ड हिटिंग.
आपके टाइम पे कैसा था? मतलब
ये
बिकॉज़ यू वर हीरोइन, ट्रेडिशनल हीरोइन.
ये तो सब था ही नहीं ना. पब्लिक ओपिनियन मीन्स हमें फैन मेल आती थी, वो लिखते थे, दे यूज्ड टू टेक द ट्रबल ऑफ राइटिंग, फाइंडिंग एड्रेस, मेलिंग इट. Then we would get it, then we would take the trouble of replying thank you and
putting a photograph.
Most of them would ask for a photograph, autograph. तो एक अलग टाइप का रिलेशनशिप होता था. आज तो आपके इंस्टाग्राम में कोई भी आपको कुछ भी लिख सकता है, बोल सकता है. सो ऑफ कोर्स लॉट ऑफ देम से वेरी नाइस थिंग्स. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि सभी खराब बोलते हैं. बहुत अप्रिसिएशन भी मिलती है, बहुत प्यार भी मिलता है उससे. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई फील द यंगर माइंड is not so equipped to handle cruel comments,
trolling and all that. Yeah.
Some I mean, they could be talking about your acting, about your skin, about your body, about your dressing, about your upbringing, about anything, about your personal life. So there's a lot of exposure and lot of, you're open to a lot of things which are,
You were protected in that time.
we were 2-3 magazines होती थी. वो इंटरव्यू लेने घर पे आते थे या सेट पे आते थे, उनसे बातचीत होती थी. एंड दे ऑल्सो हैड ह्यूमन कंसिडरेशन, मोस्ट ऑफ देम. सो दे वुड थिंक कि अच्छा नहीं, इसके अब प्लीज़ डोंट राइट दैट, या माई पेरेंट्स विल रीड, हाउ दे विल फील.
अच्छा आप बोल सकते थे ना.
तो हम लोग को ऐसे लगता था कि नहीं. तो कुछ ज़माना अलग भी था.
आप your daughter is also getting ready for being in the film.
She's done one film.
She's already ready. तो उसको तैयार कैसे किया आपने? मतलब
मैंने तो कुछ भी तैयार नहीं किया. उन्होंने खुद ही अपनी मेहनत की. They're very hard working.
Today's kids, yeah.
Very hard working.
And she knew. पहले से she knew. She had a feeling.
No, she wasn't prepared for film. She joined college and then she did 1 or 2 theatrical things and she started enjoying it. And she was very good what she did. You know, she has a good personality, good voice. तो उसको फिर appreciation मिली तो उसको लगा कि मैं कर सकती हूँ. Then they trained a lot. Went through so many workshops, so many classes. ये नहीं, हमने तो कुछ भी नहीं सीखा था. ऐसे ही पहुंच गए थे और डायलॉग बोल देते थे बस. They know, they study cinema, they expose themselves, they educate themselves. तो
कंपटीशन भी ज्यादा है ना.
नहीं, पर अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी हैं ना.
Opportunities भी
आपको
है, हाँ.
अब चाहे आप किसी का सीन 10 बार देखना चाहे यूट्यूब पे देख सकते हैं ये कैसे किया है. आपको डायलॉग्स दिखवाने हो तो यू कैन फाइंड एनी स्क्रिप्ट. देयर वाज नो इंटरनेट इन आवर टाइम, सो फॉर अस टू इवन फाइंड, अगर एक पिक्चर देखनी है तो लेटर द वीडियोस केम इन सो यू कुड रिवाइंड एंड सी. बट वैसे कहाँ, एक बार पिक्चर देख ली तो देख ली, एक सीन मिस हो गया तो हो गया बस.
तो अगर आप एक्ट्रेस नहीं होती तो आप क्या होती? बिकॉज आई बिलीव यू कम फ्रॉम a family of doctors and engineers and all that.
पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं सब. I initially wanted to be a doctor. I had science in school, but then after
Where did you study?
I studied in Chandigarh.
अच्छा.
Kamal Convent.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद I wanted to go in for, in North there's a lot of culture of getting into bureaucracy, UPSC.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bengali. Absolutely. Same.
So
same,
North
yeah.
में बहुत था, तो then I wanted to go in for the competitions, but I didn't want to be IAS. I wanted to be IFS, Foreign Service. So I was studying for that. Then after I finished my 10th, that's when I joined films. So then I changed my subjects to.
How did that happen?
Just happened. Destiny. Then I changed from science to physics, chemistry, bio, छोड़ के political science, public administration, and economics. So I studied that for
post your being a actress.
During Trishul, during Nuri, during Red Rose, I was studying all through those years. I graduated after doing.
As in you were in Bombay in the set and you were working.
No, Bombay nahi. I used to be in and out of Bombay. I hadn't moved till 2-3 years, but I did my graduation through correspondence. So that's how I studied.
And so. Would you not advise your daughter at all, or the younger people who want to
The thing is, I would advise. I still try to tell them, and sometimes they listen with with
open
the whole this thing. But a lot of them, they tell me, "Mom, it's different today. It's not the same. Today the world is different, na?"
Of course.
So they have their own take, and they have opinions and think they are smart children. So. Yes mom, no mom वाले नहीं है ना. They listen and then they discuss with you and then you get convinced by them.
So the internet children, yeah.
And the thing is, like in our times as actors, we never had PR. We never thought कि हमें अपने आप को promote करना है. फिल्मों को promote करते थे.
आपके टाइप पे थे ना कुछ एक्टर्स जिनकी PR बहुत
I don't know अगर एक्टर्स की PR थी, but फिल्मों के लिए पीआर रखा जाता था कि फिल्म को प्रमोट करने के लिए.
पर्सनल एक्टर्स को नहीं. अच्छा, आपका कोई नहीं था?
None of us had PRs, at least I don't think anybody had at that time. Yeah, maybe certain journalists were favoring certain actors because relationships होती थी, friendship होती थी. But by and large, it was when a film was releasing, the producer would hire PR and then all interviews would happen and then they would plant stories and link ups and say अच्छा इसका ये story बनाओ तभी लोग पढ़ेंगे, picture देखने जाएंगे. So those were different time. Today तो actors themselves are planning कैसे करना.
That's what. And also how do you because you've been in the boat from then to now, how do you view that as the airport culture, airport look culture and self-selling and self-promotion and a lot.
See, it's a full 360 degrees change. We used to, I would say, totally guard our privacy. कि हमारे बारे में कोई कुछ लिखे नहीं, हमारे बारे में फ़ोटो नहीं ले, कोई घर पे कोई आए नहीं. There were so many times my journalist friend would say, we want to shoot your house, can we shoot your bedroom, your thing. I said, of course not, that is my house. And later when I had kids, they'd say, can we take some pictures of the children? I said, no, family, no pictures, no mine. So we were different.
Yes,
Today तो बच्चा हॉस्पिटल से निकलते ही वो उसकी फोटो आ जाती है, पेट से नहीं.
First the baby bump.
So things have changed, of course. We didn't have the social media. Maybe अगर हमारा ज़माना सेम होता शायद हम भी करते. Today even I'm on Instagram and I'm reasonably active, not too active, but
just to be little, just to be
there. I enjoy it.
Yeah.
I've always been very, I would say,
innovative. I would say because
digitally inclined. Because I learned computers when I was still acting in films. that time nobody had computers. I got myself a laptop, but then maybe it's my genetic. My dad was an engineer. My brother could put together a computer from scratch. Like, I don't think he bought a computer. He would buy the components, do this, and he would make a computer. He was a doctor, of course, but technically he was very. So maybe I have a little bit of that genetically. So I remember I bought my first, the Mac tha hi nahi, compact computer I bought. And I went and learnt from Aptech, computer course kiya tha maine.
But with this kind of a family, you were allowed sort of, because you came in at 16 or something.
No, I
right?
wasn't.
Because doctors and engineers.
There was a lot of I would say emotional traumas. Especially my mother, she was very, very shattered. And I also never thought I'll do films as a profession. मैं तो ये सोचा था चलो एक पिक्चर करते हैं, मजा आएगा, देखते हैं what it is. I've never seen anything. Because living in Chandigarh, हमें क्या exposure था, ना फिल्में देखी थी, ना shooting क्या होता देखा था. So for me it was just a curiosity, and how teenagers are at that time. You want to see new things. The fact that it was going to be my lifelong profession, I had
you had no idea.
Never.
So because people plan and they say we manifest this and we do that, and
manifest is a new word.
We knew from when we were 3 that we wanted to be an actor and all
not
that.
Me, I did not know.
Yeah, I can see that really. And so it was like almost like this beauty with brains. And probably you were.
No, I would in fact pretend I had no brains. I used to love playing the dumb blonde.
That's what even Meryl Streep always says, that that this whole male-centric culture. How did you survive just playing dumb a bit?
No, see, there were two things. I was very reserved. I was quiet, so I never used to participate in a lot of conversations. And most of my co-actors were much older to me, right? Whether it was Rajesh Khanna or Shashi Kapoor or Dharamji, or much later people like Kumar Gaurav and Sanjay Dutt and Anil Kapoor and Sunny Deol. They all were like 4-5 years older, so that's still okay.
Yeah.
But 30 years and 20 years older, so.
How do they treat you? I mean,
like a kid only.
Except they were romancing you at the same time.
Yeah, but
how did you feel?
I never thought about it. I didn't know any better. I just thought, what jo kaha jata hai, you just do it. Abhi Shashi ji was probably what? At least 20 years older to me.
Yeah, that's what I'm feeling. Because
Kaka ji was probably 20 years older to me. Rajesh Khanna.
But did they look at you because
No, they were very protective because they saw I was an innocent kid at that time. No,
supposing you were 20, they were 40.
At least 40.
40.
Most of them were 40 plus.
And probably married. And
yeah. All of them were married. All of them were married.
I bet you didn't play the game.
No, I was too young to know. And they also, it's a very funny thing. But as one of my co-actors told me, and once I became a little bolder and I became friends with them. So I asked him, one of my co-actors, I said, you've got such a reputation of being a flirt. How come you've never flirted with me?
You asked.
Because I said, I don't believe people say you are such a flirt. I've never seen you doing that. So he said, a man gets instinct. He knows where to flirt. A woman gives him the vibes. Why should we spoil our friendship?
But you could. But it's so sweet that you were able to give, without being trained, being so young, you were able to keep that vibe on screen.
What vibe was that?
The romance.
Or
when you romance someone and there's a chemistry, they treat you
Let
like
me
a kid.
tell you one thing. Camera gives you all the right things.
Yeah.
Yeah, a touch here, that is romance. Putting a hand here is a romance. Or doing. So the director, if you're guided by a director, you know what to do.
But that was so brilliant.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is that, they were so protective to you, and they treated you well.
Yeah.
But in
all my senior actors knew that I was very young, inexperienced, little गांव of Chandigarh से आई थी, कुछ स्कूल से directly.
आपके और मेरे टाइम पे तो वो casting couch तो होता था, but शायद पता नहीं.
No, but I'll tell you something, Sushmita. There were a lot of young girls, unfortunately, who were pushed into it by their ambitious parents also. I have seen that happening in front of me. That the mother is very ambitious and she's telling the daughter, be nice to him. You know what a big producer he is. What do you mean by telling your child, be nice to him? What does that mean? I mean, now I understand those things. उस time तो हमें लगता था be polite होता है, but we don't know how
So it's
they
not
were
just
first.
these horrible men waiting to be
Yeah.
predators. Yeah, it's probably mutual because that ये ललक जो सिनेमा का है, it's
Yeah,
it's,
and I don't know. There are a lot of today. It's a different thing altogether. Today the girls also, I think, probably play games. Some of them along with it
to
because
survive.
Yeah,
है ना?
to
क्योंकि
survive.
Me Too भी आ गया,
हाँ.
अब कैमरे हर जगह हैं. We didn't have that in
Yeah,
our
not
times.
at all.
No?
And
Yeah.
we all had chaperones, so every shooting of mine, my mother came with me or my father came. आजकल तो no heroine takes the chaperone along. No
अच्छा,
parents.
you were chaperoned?
All the time my mother was there, my dad was there. In fact, if any hero
अच्छा.
tried to say, Acha, what are you doing in the evening? Come for dinner now, let's all hang out. Without asking my mother, I would tell them, my mom's not allowing. So can you imagine somebody at today's time saying my mom is not allowing? हम लोग तो आराम से बोलते थे.
श्रीदेवी's mother, हिमाजी's mother, आपसे senior, हम लोग senior थे.
सबकी मम्मी जी होती थी ना साथ में.
हाँ. And today's kids would say, please mom, give us space, let's get a life. Yeah. Because I think, are you feeling content to carry on the conversation, or you want to?
No, it's okay. It's okay. Whatever you feel, you want.
No, I was. Your smile is so lovely. Because they did share some interesting trivia about. I mean, not trivia. Of course, it's not trivia. It's about your entrepreneur abilities and your joining politics, and of course, you're doing something for us for Cinta.
Yeah. Are you a Cinta member?
Yes, of course. Last 40 years.
Yeah. So you all are life members.
Yes. And senior citizens. So, so what are you doing for this young artists? You're pressing for some changes and all that, right?
We are trying. Basically, working conditions should improve because the working hours have become 8 घंटे की shift तो रही नहीं, 12 घंटे तो हो ही गई है, which stretches to 16 hours, 14 hours. So, which is not fair, na? Because they have to work from morning to night, and we are not talking about the stars. We're talking about a whole lot of character actors also, na? So, unka liye, and they're very easily replaceable. See, if it's a big star, उसको वो बोलेगा मुझे जाना है इतने बजे, मेरी तो कमिटमेंट आपके साथ 8 बजे तक थी, आई एम लीविंग, वो दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू रिप्लेस हिम. बट इफ अ कैरेक्टर एक्टर से नहीं, मेरे को तो हो गए हैं 12 घंटे, मैं तो जा रहा हूँ, दिल से अच्छा कल से मत आना, फिर तो किसी और को ले लेंगे. You know, those
it's not an organized industry at all. So how
the government needs to make some strong rules which the producers have to follow.
नहीं हो रहा अभी तक.
नहीं, we are trying. अभी कुछ new SOPs आए हैं. We are trying to get them, producers to agree to follow them. And एक टाइम था शूटिंग करो पेमेंट मिल जाती थी, अभी 90 डेज के बाद पेमेंट
120.
हम तो 120 पे जा रहे हैं. हाँ, 90 तो नॉर्म है, 90 डेज से पहले तो मिलेगा ही नहीं. So those are not fair things. Somebody who's working 2 days in a month or 3 days in a month and getting maybe 3,000 or 2,000 a day, उसके बाद महीने में 6-8-10 हज़ार कमा रहा है, उसको 90 दिन के बाद मिलेंगे, कैसे वो जिएगा यार? How?
And I believe that they say that ये channel नहीं देता है, channel says ads नहीं आ रहे, so it's like everybody's on some roller coaster of just.
Yeah, it's not fair. Yesterday only I spoke to some producer when I was sitting in Cinta. They said नहीं वो शो क्या है ना, बंद हो गया है तो अभी. So ऐसे देखिए, जब आपके पास बहुत सारे पैसे कमा रहे होते हैं तो आप एक्टर्स को एक्स्ट्रा थोड़ी देते हैं ना. किसी भी बिजनेस में आप जाके कुछ खरीदेंगे, आप उसको तब ये थोड़ी बोलेंगे कि मैं आपको, आप चलिए मेरे को राशन दे दीजिए, मैं आपको 90 दिन के बाद पैसे दूंगा. आई विल टेल यू जस्ट गेट आउट. आप कॉफ़ी पीने जाएंगे तो आप थोड़ी बोलेंगे कि मेरे को 90 दिन के बाद दूंगा. सो व्हाई इज द एक्टर पुअर थिंग मेड टू सफर?
और आजकल आपको पता है एक और चीज़ हुई, आई वाज वर्किंग इन शो, ऑफ कोर्स आई एम नॉट, तो वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, सडनली वो बंद हो गया, शो बंद हो गया. सो द producer had been crying a little last month कि मैम there is a larger payment. I was working some 20-25 days. So ma'am, can you
reduce?
No, can you not, like, can you not take this last month? So I said okay, because I thought कि it's going to help, मेरी थाली से जाएगा. And I said 6-8 महीने I've earned my money and good part and everything. the other people started calling me, said, "मैम आपने ये क्या कर दिया?" अब वो सब
सबके
कह रहे
expect
हैं कि
देखो उन्होंने
सुष्मिता
छोड़
मैम ने
दिया.
किया तो आपने. I said, "बाबा मैंने तुम लोगों के लिए किया." They said, हमें कुछ नहीं मिला उसमें. I said, अरे I got I got suckered because उन्होंने मुझसे.
Yeah, then
know.
you need to be more clear to say, I will only leave if you make sure that all the actors are paid.
And writing, I should have
Yeah.
done that. But you learn too late.
So yesterday when I spoke to one of the channel people, they said हम लोग पहले NOC लेते थे producer से. I mean producer को बोलते थे सब actors से NOC लो कि सबकी payment हो गई है, then we will release your last payment.
अभी वो भी नहीं है.
नहीं, अब नहीं.
फिल्मों में होती थी ना पहले.
नहीं वो तो एक lab letter
Lab
मिलता
letter होता था
lab
ना,
letter.
exactly.
That was different. But
अच्छा.
the fact is that
I think it would be the same kind of an NOC.
no, NSV means that today suppose channel is paying producer in installments कि आपके 10 एपिसोड के इतने पेमेंट 5 एपिसोड के जो भी आई डोंट नो व्हाट द नॉर्म इज तो आपको हम तब रिलीज करेंगे लास्ट पेमेंट आपके सबकी पेमेंट मिल गई कि सबके हो गए मे बी दे विल आल्सो स्टैगर इट ना दैट आई विल गिव यू आफ्टर 60 days 90 days after you cleared all the payments only then we'll give you so that is a good method na at least the producer knows
but आप लोग कर सकते हो सिंटा में you can revive that
we can try it but it's a lot of see today they're all independent producers they are not and the channel once we tried to speak to the broadcasters what they told us that we are not responsible for payments of the actors our contract is with the producer and producer is further supposed to pay so actor ka contract to producer ke sath hai na how can we get so we have to
something wrong with the chain that this has to be another thing I struggled with Poonamji I struggled a lot and I wonder if you as a young actor and as a mother I struggled a lot with what came first so to me my children always came first and I think most mothers and to negotiate our kind of work like I was doing a lot of television as well theatre and films and I was working it was a full time so I of course mother guilt and all that we all go through all the and you wonder if you did right and then your own marriage and your own relationships and am I the woman that I thought I'd be
am I good enough mother
yeah good enough mother guilt and so many factors am I giving the right messaging to my family am I giving the right messaging to the world how am I conducting myself कि काम करके निकल जाती है did you struggle with any of that
of course because I stopped doing films when for a while after I became a mom and little before that because when I was planning because for me two things were very clear one was that time is important it's not quality it is also quantity because as people say oh it's quality time with my children what does a 2 or 3 year old know about quality time he wants his mom when he wants to be fed or when he wants to be put to sleep in the night usko story पढ़ के सुनाओ या कुछ कहानी so it's not about that you can't say me मैंने 2 घंटे quality time दे दिया बच्चे को so that was one thing I didn't agree with I felt it was quantity and quality both and second thing I felt that my child will never be this age again and I'm not going to be just doing romantic roles now whether I'm 30 or I'm 35
how old are your children now
my kids are grown up now but I'm talking about when they were small so that time I used to say no they need me around and I don't want to miss out these years of their life so I was there for all their sports day I was there for all their concerts I was there for all the parent teacher meeting because those were important parts of their life right
and did they see you how did they see you when everyone said yeah Poonam Dhillon's children how did they go to school because we all had the same because of televisions
no my daughter of course just said why did you come and stand outside the school why were you wearing those sunglasses why did you everybody looks at you I said they're not looking at me because I'm wearing sunglasses their parents have seen me for years so they are going to look at me but I enjoyed being a normal mom did all the normal things went to all the birthday parties took them for swimming took them for every class so it was fun.
And then you really didn't struggle like I had to struggle because even when they were very small I remember one case when I was with Balaji so unka to day night hota tha na so I have two boys so in the morning I would come they would be sleeping I would just come in the middle and sleep for an hour and get up So one day
They
I,
thought they were sleeping whole night with you.
yeah, no, and that's what I thought. And then one day, the little one, there's a years different. He says, "Look, brother, 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 she's leaving again." So I knew she's leaving again. So then I said that on some award show, and all. The price you have to pay for a little boy to tell his brother, 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 look, she's leaving again. When I think of it, I feel so sad.
Yeah.
And
But see,
हमारे
you also
काम में-
find your balance. You try. Like,
Yeah.
I would go out with my friends in the evening, or your certain commitments, like a wedding or a, award function or somebody's birthday who's very close to you. Now, if you tell them I can't come and I have kids, they said everybody has
Yeah,
kids.
you
What
have
is
to
this?
do that.
So I used to literally get my clothes ironed, hide them in another room, so kids would not know that mom is going to.
Leaving.
So I would
Acha.
lie down with them. I would go late for whatever I had to, but I would make sure
They were fast asleep and
they
then
were
go.
fast asleep. So I would just balance that timing. कि अगर
Yeah.
जाना है कहीं पे, उनका routine खराब नहीं होना चाहिए, because I was like, they used to sleep early.
This
8:30,
wily
9.
boy saying, look, she's going again, giving me mom guilt. And that's such a long story.
Yeah.
Yeah, I suppose.
You have to balance it. See, to be this constant available mom is also not good. Little independence the child has to have.
Yeah.
So, but it's not only film moms. Every mom, I'm sure, has that balance. कैसे करना है?
I mean, in इस बीच में आपने वो vanity भी शुरू किया आपका your business.
Vanity was before the kids were born.
अच्छा, before the kids, but it's still continuing.
Yeah. No, now it's not. I couldn't handle it anymore because.
Are you still in any business now with part of your work?
Not business, but I have a lot of ideation which keeps coming in.
Okay, but no,
I keep
timing for.
No, the vanity I'm not running anymore.
Okay.
Because it became more of run by drivers and conductors business than
vanity,
entrepreneur.
the real vanity.
Yeah. So then I said I can't handle this.
Are you an entrepreneur at heart?
I think so. I have good ideas, but to execute them and take them to, I would say, full satisfaction, I don't always do, because you need a lot more infrastructure. You need some manpower and support. Me being, a single mom, and then lost my parents very young. So there's no big family structure to support. So that lot of my, I would say, ideas and entrepreneurs.
But a lot of people also say, a single parent is better than a bickering family.
Oh yes,
Yeah,
of
so
course.
and even you give the correct signals to your children that you
No,
know.
my kids are very close to the dad. We never took up bickering anywhere in front of
that's
the kids.
beautiful. That's
And in
beautiful.
fact, if they don't go and meet him and didn't spend time with their grandparents, they would get fired by me. Kid, do this. Don't talk rudely. Call Papa. Why haven't you this thing? So we had a very good.
And an intelligent way of raising your children, and one
it's-
wonderful way. Because even today, like we were talking. I was talking to the other gentleman. He's a filmmaker from. He was in the jury. So Rajaji invited this. He was the chairman of the IFFI jury. So all the 12 juries were here.
Okay.
We were invited for this festival as well. So he was talking about how children. We have historically. Now you're in the BJP, and so is my husband. So ये हुआ ये कि what do you think about the way history has been portrayed, and how much as a parent are you looking at telling your children or sharing with your children the way the new historical perspective is coming?
I don't want to really talk about this. I don't want to do any political conversation.
No, it's not children. It's not political.
Yeah, no, but how history is changing and how it's being told and retold from every point of view. It's like having two parents who are divorcing. Each will be justifying their thing by saying कि मैंने इसलिए क्यों किया, he was at fault. She will say that, and he will say she was at fault. So it's always a point of view.
So the history has been हम लोग के time से आ रहा है ना. Our parents probably didn't really tell us much because they were also in the partition time, and then we came. We also went to English school, so we really didn't know a lot about where we were coming from. Our roots, we were all Western. हमारी पढ़ाई, education, most of us have come from a Western education. So now there has been like an awareness that a lot of stuff in history has been cut out. So what I'm interested in the generation after us.
I think the generation has so much of information
Hmm.
that they have to do their own decisions about what they think is right and wrong. Not only about history, but so many other things. So many other things. What are their right?
पर कितना confusion है, there's too much, it's like a buffet full of too many goods.
I know over information is available,
Over-information.
and that's confusing.
How do they
because-
reach out to us as parents is what my interest
Yeah.
actually. Like,
No, I think they reach out.
when they want to, you think?
No, and Google is there to answer. Now Chat GPT is there. We in our time we had to open books and read and then go to Britannica, encyclopedia, do research, make projects. Today everything is on a click
What do
of
you
a
think of
button.
AI?
I mean, it's here to stay, and it's sometimes way more intelligent than we are. We have only that much knowledge. They have so much, so much, so much through different sources. So they give us certain amount of knowledge, but we also have to still pick and choose.
In fact, the person right before us was this AI person. For his, he's got this company storyboard. He's part of our sponsors. So I was having this long chat with him about, the person who started it. What's his name? Did he say Austin? The person who started Chat GPT? Huh?
Sam Altman.
Sam?
Altman.
Altman, yeah, Altman. So he himself is saying that, when consciousness, which is what you and we have as humans, and you're at the brain of the is it can get into your consciousness and actually can
Influence it.
create a bigger human, but in a technical way. So he's snatching your consciousness away, and he's making consciousness. So it may result in the decrease of the species as such. He himself, who started it, is been
See,
warning.
I mean-
I'd like to know your.
No, this is too complicated a question to answer it like this because there's so many aspects of it, and I'm not knowledgeable enough about AI to be able to give some great answers about it. But I definitely do feel that reality is changing in such a way today that what we see, एक ज़माने में हम कहते थे ना मैंने अपनी आँखों से देखा है. Today we can't say that. What we are seeing, what we are hearing may be absolutely untrue and manufactured.
Absolutely.
And it looks so real that it can actually create problems for you because
what,
you
yeah.
think it's एक ज़माना तब बोलते थे written word is true. हम लोग ने जो पढ़ लिया न्यूज़पेपर में किताब में we thought that is the biblical truth. फिर एक ज़माना आया हमने देख लिया तो हमें लगा वही सच है क्योंकि कैसे वो खड़ा था ना मैंने देखा उसको. Now we are photoshopping faces, bodies, names, images, voice.
There was somebody who died. His little voice was taken out and made into a full song. He's no more, but a piece of his voice was taken from his wife. And you can't call it Photoshop. What can you call it? Voice shocked.
No, whatever. So that thing, reality today, we are seeing. I mean, for me, I find it very cute and adorable. You have all these little kids saying such grown-up dialogues on Instagram. Very adorable little things you keep seeing. But you know that it can't be a kid speaking with such authority on something and talking to their dog or talking to their mom and talking. It's all
course not,
created.
yeah.
It may look cute and it may look. So we don't know anymore now what is real, what is not.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to know. So you.
No, so I think it is, I would like a little bit of reality and not everything which is fake, no?
Mhm.
So we want to create,
A balance, you'd say?
yeah, because see, it has a lot of good uses. It has a lot of, for filmmakers, it is very advantageous to a great extent that they don't have to spend so much to create. If there's a 50 people standing, you can make it 50,000 and you can create a crowd and you can make this. And so all that is cost.
You know what he was saying, that gentleman? He was saying that I told him, if I give you a novel, you have to be a soft copy. He said, and in 1 minute, I'm going to give you the breakdown of all the scenes. In 3 minutes, I'm going to give you the angles. In 4 minutes or 5 minutes, I'm going to give. So in 8 or 9 minutes, what an entire pre-production would take 3 months, you would do it. So I said, that's good if that's what happens. But actually, when you actually touch someone's hand, do you see the warmth? Or will everyone be making, talking to this entity, which is, which you can't touch, which is probably metal or it's probably plasma, I don't know what it is. And how would you relate to that? So he actually said, yes, I guess we are going too fast and furious. Maybe we'll have to just... so he ended up saying, actually, at the end of the day, I would rather be with my 5 best friends.
Yeah, human.
You know, so
real
जो भी
emotions,
होना
are
चाहिए.
real. Everything
हाँ.
is important. So, I mean, there have been films made on this. I don't remember the name of all the films where a guy falls in love with a artificial
yeah.
this thing created, and the emotions are real. हमारी एक हिंदी फिल्म भी तो आई थी where the Kriti Sanon and Shahid Kapoor.
Okay.
Kriti is a robo and he doesn't
Ah,
know
yes,
it.
yes.
And
Yes.
you know, so those
Ah.
things are actually reality.
Actually, yeah.
Probably you get the perfect match for you. Everything is the way you want it. The behavior, the looks, the physicality.
Because you've tried, there's a cross, you've typed this,
So
this.
I mean, I don't know. Perfection is not really needed in everything. Little bit of
Right.
imperfection is okay. Human.
I think with that closing line, I think that's so sweet. Imperfection, which means everybody's blood temperature is different and it's fine.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be robotized. It doesn't have to be. Thank you so much, Poonam ji. It was
Thank
so
you.
lovely talking to you.
My
Thank you so
pleasure
much.
entirely.